The new energy wave is reshaping our civilization with unprecedented force. The dawn of carbon neutrality illuminates the global path to sustainable development. As a leading global provider of integrated smart energy solutions, Ryzen Energy drives this transformation through innovation, building the future-defining Ryzen Storage Super Factory. The core engine of Ryzen Storage, our cutting-edge R&D lab. Here, our rigorous digital testing analyzes cell performance, simulating extreme conditions like thermal cycling and overcharge or discharge. Massive data streams integrate directly with the cloud, building a precise energy database. From the fundamental level, we define peak performance and maximum safety, thereby laying a robust foundation for energy storage systems. Enter our high-efficiency power conversion systems intelligent manufacturing hub, where energy flow control cores are born. Our PCS exceed industry benchmarks with high efficiency and millisecond-level response, instantly stabilizing grid fluctuations. An IP54-rated rugged design ensures reliability in all weather, delivering stable power for diverse scenarios. PAC Precision Manufacturing Workshop. Witness the transformation of energy units. We empower production through modularization, automation, and intelligence. High-precision robotic arms achieve cell stacking accuracy, while smart logistics enable seamless dispatch. Full automation minimizes human error, guaranteeing consistency and reliability in every battery pack. Integration and Testing Center, the ultimate crucible of quality. Here, containerized and commercial and industrial energy storage systems undergo comprehensive validation. Through intelligent terminals, engineers closely monitor the coordinated operation of the energy management system and battery management system. Ryzen Storage's self-developed 4S solution, featuring deep integration of BMS, EMS, PCS, and SMS, builds a multi-dimensional intelligent safety architecture. Over 100 rigorous tests forge a system-level golden shield of safety, ensuring every kilowatt-hour of energy is delivered securely and reliably. Modern finished product yard, the assembly point of zero-carbon power. Arrays of cutting-edge storage units showcase intelligent manufacturing achievements. Smart dispatch systems coordinate AGVs for precise transport, enabling efficient high-volume management and turnover. Our global delivery network ensures timely deployment worldwide. At the shipping site, gantry cranes perform precision-guided hoisting under advanced positioning systems. Heavy transport fleets stand ready. Now, storage systems embodying Ryzen's cutting-edge innovation and exceptional quality embark on their global mission, delivering stable, efficient, and cost-effective clean energy solutions worldwide. Ryzen Storage, beyond power storage, committing to a zero-carbon future.